Question 8. So let's start off by plotting the inequalities. So to do this, just find a couple of simple points on each inequality. So with this first one, I've just taken I've just said right, if x is 6, 6 divided to 30, then y must be 0. So 6 naught is actually on this line where it equals 30. Equally, when x is 0, y must be 30, 3 tens are 30. So I've found two coordinates on this line, line, and equally I've then found two coordinates which are on this line. So I've plotted both the lines. So each time I've just let y equal 0 and x equal 0. So basically, just by doing that, I've drawn my blue line, my red line, I've drawn my lines x equal 0 and y equals 0, and I want all the points that are greater than all of these. So these are all the ones I do want, so the ones I don't want are all these here. Now for part 2, find the minimum value of 6x plus y subject to these conditions. So this is a bit tricky, so think about it. 6x plus y equals, and you choose the right hand side. Now I've chosen 12 just because I could see that gave me sort of a sensible line to consider. So basically I've assumed the right hand side, that's why I've said 12 say. So given this is the line I need, when x is 0 y is 12, and when x is 2 y is 0. So that would actually give me this line joining these two purple points. And then really what you need to do is just imagine that line moving out in a parallel fashion, and which point do you get to first, because we're looking for the minimum. Well, as it happens coincidentally, that point there is literally one of my points. That is my point 0, 12. So I've already hit my minimum point. So my minimum is at 0, 12. Now what value does this throw up? Well, at 0, 12, it's 6 lots of 0. Add 12, giving me a minimum value of 12. So really what I should have done, I should have drawn in this purple line here, joining this purple point and this point. Then you imagine that line moving in or out in a parallel fashion. Which of these points do you hit first of all? Well, you hit this point first of all. That's why that was the minimum.